Hi guys, so today's video is an unboxing video. Look. Yay! So let's see what we got. Find something to open it with. We just got this package and it's kind of surprising considering we're flooded, so I'm not sure how delivery got here. And of course Patchy wants to know what's in the box too because she likes her boxes. Quit, Patchy. Kind of hard to do one-handed. Patchy really wants to know what's in the box. Dirty birdie. Okay. Alright. Now that we got that undone, I've never done one of these unboxing videos. If this is something you guys would like to see more of, let me know. Look, it's got Disney paper. It's so pretty. Let's see if they sent the right one this time. They did. So my son found this in the parks and he really liked it. And he didn't get anything in the parks, so I ordered it for him. And look! Super, super pretty. But yeah, that is what we got, and the packaging is like really, really good. Really like the packaging. Hopefully you guys are picking that up in the video. But yeah, it is the executive pin. It's got Mickey on it and it says Walt Disney World on it. So very, very good. Last time I ordered this and they sent me the wrong item, and I called them and they sent this right back out the same day. So the first time when they sent it to me, and of course the executive pin's not cheap, and everything online is more expensive usually unless it's on sale than in the parks. This pin in the parks was cheaper, but he wanted it, so I got it. This is what they sent me instead of my pin, which I paid for, and I called her and I was like, it's really cute, I love it, but that's an awful expensive autograph book considering it's supposed to be a pen, and I'm pretty sure you can't write with an autograph book. But they were really, really easy to get along with. They fixed the problem, apologized profusely, and sent the pen out immediately. So it only took about a week for me to get the pen. And so yeah. I did go online to Disney.com. It's the same place that you would book your vacations or get your tickets or whatever. And if you're wanting to know what the item number is, there you go, if you want to get one. And yeah, if you liked this kind of video and you want to see more unboxing videos of anything really, leave me a comment down below and I will be happy to do some more unboxing videos when I get stuff. So I hope you like this video again, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.